Okay, guys, so this is the first question from the review. When you're factoring, remember you always look for a GCF first. So both terms don't have an X, so we can't take that out. But if you check, 9 actually goes in both of these numbers. And if you're not sure, you can always just use your calculator and start dividing and see what happens. So we're going to take out a 9. That leaves me with x cubed. And then 9 goes into 1125, 125 times. Okay. The next thing we do is you're always going to look what's in parentheses and see if you can factor again. It has two terms, they're subtracted, and it's cubes, so we know this is a difference of cubes. So leave the 9 on the outside. Remember, cubes have two terms and then three terms. So what goes in the first set of parentheses is what you would cube to get x cubed, which is x, and what you cube to get 125, which is 5. Then remember, the rest of your answer comes from that x and 5. So we take the x, square it, that goes in the first spot. Take the 5 and square it, and we get 25, that goes in the last spot. And then the middle term is those two multiplied together, x times 5 gives me 5x. And then remember that we use SOAP to put the signs in. So it's the same as the problem, minus, opposite, and then the last one is always positive. And then that is your final answer.